Okay, we're going to put some oil in this thing now. So we're using the Tribodyne 2050 V-twin. So it's that nice purple stuff there. Deep blue. So anyway, I'm going to fill this thing up. I'm going to fill up the whole oil pan until I get some stuff up here in the connecting rod. I want that rod to be lubricated when it starts to run. So we're going to put the oil in the motor instead of in the oil tank. Either way, as long as it gets in there, it'll work. So his pull tabs here do not want to release. Glue is too good. So that's the sealant down here. It's coming off in pieces, not as a unit. It's great for shipping, it won't ever leak, but it's hard to use it. I definitely don't want this crap in my motor. Alright. Wipe the rest of it around in a circle so it stays in. Okay. So he still wants you to mix it up real good. This is a new Formula EX2. New packaging, I guess. Same old crap. Make sure it's nice and mixed up. Yeah, it's mixed up. Ooh, it's got blue stuff in there. Okay, so we're going to pour it on top of this connecting rod. We're going to get these bearings lubricated over here. Because right now them bearings are dry. I do not like dry bearings in my motor. So we're going to just get that stuff to go down in there. Stuff has really high cling, so it stays put. That's good for now. Spin it around a little bit. Get it worked in. Doesn't sound dry no more. A little bit more shaking action. Should be enough. Put some more in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, they're going to leak. Where's that stud at? Come on, dumbass. Fucking stud. Wasting it. Good shit. I don't want to waste it. It doesn't want to drain off my fingers. It sticks to my fingers so good it doesn't want to come off. Now, one thing you don't want to do is put this stuff with a clutch because it's not made for clutch. Make sure you don't leave it in there. That's some sticky stuff. I guess the oil pan's full. Forgot about that hole being up and open. That's good enough. No mess along its friends there, it's fine. See how stuff doesn't drain, it just stays put. It's thin oil, but it's got a high cling. Protects the motor really, really well. That's what I like about it. Okay. Does that mean the rod is now cranking? Now oh, we got crank oil. The flywheels are full of oil now, so that means I finally got the level of the crank. That's good. Means we can go ahead and put a little bit more in there just to make sure. Got enough in there. There we go. She's well lubed. Oh, come on. Now we got another oil leak coming out. How much oil's in there? Oh, I got more oil in than I thought I had. Oops. Why is all the hardware at the farthest bolt hole away? I didn't know I'd have a case of oil in here. If you looked in the hole, you would have saw that. Okay, well, now I got a mess. Somebody made a mess. I don't know who that was that did that. It's expensive shit. Put it back in the hole. Okay, we got another crag. We got too much oil in here. It's coming out of the crank bearing now too. Okay, we got to get some power to this motor. Spin this pump on. Shit. What I got for jumpers around here? I got nothing. I need some power to this pump. Damn it. Shit. No access to anything here. Fuck. There it is. Come on, quit hooking on every damn thing. What, no ground? Pump's not working. Come on, you piece of crap. Shit. Wonderful. We have a big mess here. Alright. Sometimes you overdo it. Alright, I'll have to live with it for now. No power to anything. That's how to power stuff up. You got no power to anything. Okay. Now, where's the pump not working? I don't have any jumper cables around here of any capacity. Battery charger might run it, maybe. Well, Dad's will. That is an old style battery charger. Get the camera out of my way before I break something here. This has got real output. Ground goes to ground. It's grounded. Power on. We got power. It's not pumping though. It's not dropping. Tank's dry. Let's see. If we put this on high output, full power, it'll make a difference. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, she's dropping now. Okay. Problem solved. Just use old power, old battery chargers. New chargers don't work like that, old ones do. Okay, the oil level went down about 2 inches. So we're no longer halfway up the flywheel. So I'm just going to quit leaking through there, and this bolt here will no longer leak. Just whatever's in there will be residue. Alright, I'll wipe off that, put it back in the hole. So there should be blue stuff down in the tank now. Oh, can't really see in there. Oh yeah, there's something in there. It's got some nasty old oil in there. You see the old stuff, the brown. That's the stuff that was on top of the oil. That's the stuff that was in the pump. The pump's the only thing I didn't clean out. Couldn't have been much in there though. A couple ounces at most. Alright. There you go. Don't put too much oil in your crank. This doesn't feel dry no more. That's good. You can see how the oil clings real heavy. It doesn't want to drain off. So it looks really good. Alright, I'm going to have to clean up that mess because we don't want that crap in the clutch. Tribodine does not work in the clutch unless it's made for clutch. It's very specific. This is clutch oil. It's got LS in it. LS means limited slip. Clutch. Don't put this in the motor. Don't put that in there. It'll make the clutch nice and slippery. I don't want my clutch to be nice and slippery. So there you go. Don't mix up your oils. Alright, let me get this mess cleaned up and we'll be back.